Hi, I'm Tom Scalera, President and CEO of Stanley Steemer of South Florida. I started here 43 years ago, cleaning carpets during the day and fixing the service vehicles at night. I worked my way up from technician to manager to eventually being honored as Franchise Manager of the Year by Stanley Steemer International. It's been an incredible ride, and I truly feel honored to have spent the majority of my life with an organization that's been trusted since 1947. So I've been inside thousands of homes. I know what it means to be invited into someone's personal space.
And that's why, for us, a clean home and a clean business isn't just about appearance. It's about health, trust, and doing things the right way. The truth is, a lot of homeowners don't fully understand what's happening inside of their home. And too often, they're rushed, pressured, or sold things they don't actually need.
I've seen that side of the industry, and I knew early on that wasn't how we were going to operate.
Our approach is simple. Education comes first. We take the time to inspect, explain what we see, and let homeowners make the informed decisions. No pressure, no confusion.
If it's not something I'd feel comfortable doing in my own home, we won't recommend it. That standard comes from experience and from caring enough to slow down and do it right.
People often ask why our technicians are considered the best in the industry. Our philosophy is simple. Hire for values, train well, and take care of your people. With over 90 trucks on the road, no job is too big, from homes to hospitals to universities, and yes, even professional sports arenas.
These are professionals who understand that every job represents our name and my life's work. Somewhere along the way, we realized we were doing more than cleaning. We were improving quality of life.
According to the EPA, indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. That's why we partnered with Piper's Angels Foundation and helped lead the shift towards cleaning for health. Giving back to our community matters to us because this isn't just where we work, it's home.
This channel is where we share that mission: education, health, community, and the people behind the work.
If you're looking for honest answers and a team that treats your home with respect, you're in the right place.
Subscribe to learn more or schedule a free inspection when you're ready.